In this video, I'll show you how to enable Eye Comfort Shield on a Samsung phone. Eye Comfort Shield is a helpful feature that reduces blue light from your screen. This can make your display easier on your eyes, especially at night or when you use your phone for a long time. To get started, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. Now look for Eye Comfort Shield. Tap on it to open the settings. From here, turn on the toggle next to Eye Comfort Shield. Once it's enabled, your screen may look slightly warmer or more yellow. That's normal, because your phone is reducing blue light to make the display more comfortable to look at. You can also adjust how Eye Comfort Shield works. For example, you may see an option to use Adaptive, which automatically adjusts the screen colors based on the time of day. Or you can choose Custom, if you want to set your own schedule, like turning it on automatically in the evening and turning it off in the morning. You can also adjust the color temperature to make the screen warmer or cooler, depending on what feels best for your eyes. Another quick way to enable it is by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel, then look for Eye Comfort Shield and tap it to turn it on or off quickly. And that's how you enable Eye Comfort Shield on a Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you make your screen more comfortable for your eyes.